asked if they could use the framework for developing a digital competence framework for citizens and consumers, and they are complementing it. And also the people around the handicapped and disabled and the carers, so the people in the health sector, are using this framework. It might be a very academic structure, but it's not that is not really it. It is a framework built through the ideas of stakeholders in order to use it concretely and to check learning outcomes in training and education. You see here, that's what I said, we have quite some endorsement and stakeholders who looked into it, pilots and embedding, and Europass in May 2015, it was said to be end 2014, but it has now changed to next month, will put it on. Like for the languages, there will be a self-assessment tool to indicate which level you might have on digital competences, so that your employers might have that as an indication. Why is this important? Well, digital competences is only one of the competences that is important in a skills portfolio. And in DG Employment, we are looking into a much more global skills strategy, whereby skills portfolio will be developed with employers and so on. So it's just one of the competences that are looked into, and one of the next one will be, for example, on being entrepreneurial. So that is what I want to show you, how in education and training, but not only in formal education, also in training, upskilling, and informal and non-formal, how important it is to grasp what we really mean to be digital competent, how can it be assessed, and then from there, where can you find training courses to fill your gaps, and so on. I think I...
Thank you very much. Big applause for Liv. Indeed, counting with a common framework of reference, it's very important for education. And I don't know how many of you were in the session this morning, which took place in this room. Can you... Okay, so many. So, because in that session it was discussed another framework, which is the European Competence Framework, which is more intended for professionals. We from Telecentro Europe tried to make